How you going, everyone? It's Rusty Sab here. I've just stopped in Sale. It was more of just a quick stop because there's Aldi here, which is always handy because their prices are good. And yeah, I was able to fill up my fridge, which is handy. This is Lake Guyatt, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful lake. It's not too far, you know, it's only in Sale. And we've got these two friends over here. There's just birds everywhere. This is just beautiful. They sure do make a lot of noise. Oh yeah. So there you have it. Yeah, I think they like my car, to be honest. Let's see how we go. Yep, there's a duck over there. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, look at the little tail. Hello? What's going on, man? Let's see if we can go closer. That's so cool, man. So you got a duck and a geese. Pretty sure they're geese. I'm gonna feel quite silly if they're not geese, but I'm pretty sure they're geese. Or goose. Goose, geese. Yeah. Man, I'm so tired, I can't think straight. Hey look, I got these awesome little ones everywhere. Oh, look how small this one is. Hey. Yeah, birds are beautiful, man. I can't understand how anyone can eat ducks or chickens. I don't eat animals. Or fish. Yeah. And I'm working on going full vegan. This is awesome. That is a lot of detail in that. It's beautiful. There you go. So that's pretty cool, man. Yeah, so I'm not sure where I'll stop next. Sale's beautiful, by the way. It's really nice around here. There's lakes everywhere. It's just really, really nice. I'm gonna quickly take you to the actual lake, which is this one here. Yeah, I'm kind of getting over the cold weather. I actually feel like driving straight to Queensland tonight, but I probably won't. But I might get into New South Wales tonight. I'm just really over this cold weather, man. Hey, ducks everywhere. It's awesome. Love the way they shake their tail, man. They're so perfect. Absolutely perfect. Hey. Yeah, it's a pretty big lake. It's a pretty big lake. And it's awesome. And there's one little duck there under the tree. And then there's three here. I'm guessing they're different types of ducks. So that last one's got interesting colours. So yeah, guys, that's Sale. Sale's really, really nice. Really nice. But then again, everywhere's nice, you know. The further you get away from Melbourne, the more you realise there's so much nature out there, and it's just beautiful, and so much things are free. There's always something to do, you know. Just sit here on this table and have lunch with birds all around you. Like, what more can you ask for, you know? Like, it's just yeah, there's no words to describe how beautiful this is, man. Alright, I'm gonna head off. Yeah,